ship nti say dwano obekọ coach about 20 million me kwa coach adema me 1 million
no crepa
sanity eno na ekoso no nti wa ha oni obe Unya yanka, unfortunately, I dream you never. But these are two good friends.
Who La Liga, Ele, Areco, the Bola 3 points, the Barcelona, and morning. So we share Barcelona or Boda. As far as society or Boba, Labiki, yes, sure, Mary Crowd, very ashore. As far as they are now full, that's all my man striker. Hoselu.
Sana, we are sitting so. Sanity and Obia degree of relationships. The way audio BTN or so chance the way of be so between accommodating it on the other different. So sanity. But who they don't remember Carlos this year, so don't worry about it. Oh, when more striker.
I your Romeo.
They say the team at Barcelona, no. It's not about
David Mudao FC.
Namu Mudao.
David
Benzema on far only goal scoring. He's taking aspect of the spirit of the team away. And I probably don't come to discuss that. It's very important. The lack of Benzema that helps you is gone. Almost team, none of them has it. So we about
I fear in a captain. A Spanish be our captain. Team do Koye. Nacho Fernandez.
Samba lucky or no that. They ain't calling me.
Oh yeah, they Jerry Garcia.
Jerry Garcia player. Let me come here. And Abu Misha Women World Cup started how much? You say because Australian time.
Yes.
Now, me Emma Bobo is here to pompa. Once again, like I say, Infantino, Emma Bobo to pump. No FIFA president has ever done what he has done for women football. And so, Emma separately and distinctively as a FIFA president. Because now Ma Bobo never him. Now, New Zealand and Australia be hosting Ma Bobo, maybe which starting a little small or Chinanopa. Now, my share omwa sebiu ombobra ewo Ma Bobo e kan Ma Bobo as is Ma Bobo e so Brazil see Italy near Germany mu and I say France yes Argentina. So women football, the powerhouses will always be the most powerhouse will always be the United States of America,
USA.
So they say, So USA started. The Marble bonus started in 1991, and so you see, where USA it is 91. USA what playing also USA versus Norway, and this was a very difficult game for the US. And the interest is that was the first time World Cup in skills be and share and because this is the biggest first time. Yes, so not there was no major competition. Coaches to me the assessee players, so not interested. Your ball, long ball, keeper, no piano, Janet like we. So all those things took place in 1991, and US, of course, Kevin Jennings, top player, very skillful, intelligent. No wonder she was the best player for the tournament. And then Michelle Eckers was the top scorer, scored 10 goals, and a USADG win.
SOMPA Sports.
1995, Norway a powerhouse. Then now came into the fore. Anne Christian, oh my goodness, she's a top striker. Great placement of the ball is a trademark. And then you also have Helga Ruiz, who was the best player. Almost Germany. US back. Now can't see a coin. So okay, Abeta yes, 1999. Ghana, and saying. So 1999, US met China. But even though US did very well, but Sun Win was top. She was the best player, top striker, and she was excellent. I mean, China, that Chinese team went to me when you World Cup. This was a penalty shooter. It was a Chinese team. It was top performance from them. Then 2003, Germany came back strongly. After more performance against Norway in 1995, they came back strongly. Both. And they had a wonderful, beautiful girl, Bridget Prince. And you say, "Bodo on who Frank? Or one baby and name the baby and Muhuna." To say yes, that she was beautiful. Or a top striker. Or say a brilliant passer of the ball, a great dribbler, and or the best player, and then top scorer. And that was the game against Sweden. And Sweden, they've always been there, especially from 1999. They've been a strong team. But Omunya Kwenya and Komunim. Then came 2007, Germany once again against Brazil, and Mata, that was Mata Show, top player. Honor Mata P, and she was the best player and the best scorer, also the top scorer in the tournament. And then 2011, Japan, Homare Sawa, exceptional and intelligent captain, led the team. We can say Maradona, that's what she did. She was all over. Led the team to beat Almighty USA. Almighty USA in the final. And then they won the World Cup. Top performance from them. But then America very in 2015 when they beat them, Carl Lloyd beat them by 3 goals, 60 minutes, no magic. In the final. Then last year, America the Bibi Kakra Echre Netherlands, and that was it. Now, Mami Mbas Kanosu, Varas, Mami, what Niente America Infantino asem? Because near Sino and see that was my ball bomb, say, ya call World Cup na
SOMPA Sports.
Me disika we mano, and I me the be ma associations. Fine, so we for players. Osha group stage player be abeji $30,000. That's never happened in the history of. Now, TAW is different from what the association agree with the player. Maybe England had an issue of resolve here before Mukoye. We know FIFA bet here, I'm a federation, FIFA and just come a player. But almost players in United say. Menyanka why no member there no so free maybe a beba no.
A member no.
I mean because there's players in United himself ne onyani.
Yes.
And you who man South Africa for no. Me for South Africa example. Omonim. And the only thing say for through FA account. And to baba you 30,000 each player.
Now they call.
Now they
NTB fees.
Why NTB? Always ga.
Oh that tax in there.
Why tax? Oh no, and they said a back Ghana they tax.
And no one 7
country be at
and
Okaza be
oh David enye no e ye na mi sika bet
so sika wa any sika be any be an so tia so to. So there's it. I'm sure it will happen because for this to start it be happen.
Abozo but the way they come ye man no so nko anka me po.
There be member number anka your problems enye nyina aka to twa
Papa over appearance.
Nigeria for
exactly. Even South Africa for the
Nigeria say UK was worse. Almost your keep Alessio Russo say we've kept it on hold, we'll return back. UK na time.
Why was there be a way no so can be no yes ado.
There be o.
So e be o mu ji we no. A mo san mo muska na e ho mo ana.
There be o aban FA no say.
No mama.
Na mo ji we dey ba na say na esa mo. Almost so say no. We no e ade
dey mo.
Na wo FA no so dey na wo my for all the effort we have done.
SOMPA Sports.
How do we dey say am qualify and come ko Jessica we.
And wa hwe udu finance $270,000 each year. Would have finance say acquire do final would nim wa. Can you imagine Black Queens going to? So you see the entire sometimes ya kasa penifoni no unim what Black Queens each player $30,000 will do to each player in this country.
At least almost 13 we cry now the advance will nyamu be 20 something
25 cry.
Yes, we team we don't care qualify and Kenya bad. Can me chima a bit my board be
entina me boy Fantino Abaso and enye no credit. Entina first group stage na be free.
Na hotel.
Me say group stage na be free. Enti that
was na say me team hu njo mu ndi kra o.
Enti mami kamasa. Enti the problem is that me adewe a year mid depa for the first time yeah respecting and appreciating my contribution in football.
Yes.
We no penny bia free federation bia be yet kwagadi bia we mu da ho. Unim uba baji. Tax no so unim tax or my no free minti we there bia antimi we. Then federation so nya kakra. I mean from the group stage federation we nya $1.56 million. Oh, and Infantino has done incredibly well for women football. And there you have no idea. Wait and see that. Now South Africa managed $30,000 T from FA no. And Tom Kojiwe come with $60,000.
Our appearance fee $30,000.
Yes.
From Safa.
Safa ne mom.
No Kojiwe count $60,000.
Yes. And no na UK for no fighting for no.
Are you good for almost it?
What's it?
I'm not going to win anymore.
Almost say Omokwaba because they want to focus. But psychological now, Varasienko Group E, Mami Group E. The point is that tournament be a Omwa Sebi Omoji. Oshia Group E,
SOMPA
USA,
Sports.
4-time champion, 1991, 1999, 2015, 2019. In fact, 2015, 2019, I'm winning. I'm person for the third time. Now, yes, even though Hillary Swanson Onya accruciate ligament there, they are leading marksman for this season. But Alex Morgan who mega rapino. They led the team 2019. Then you have intelligent Alsan Phyllis Smith, brilliant winger. Only problem. Crystal Dunn, central midfielder, very good player. So the Americans, Leon Williams, great and intelligent center. But in America, for majority of the players about 4 years ago, so this group, they'll be the favorite in this group. The Netherlands, for instance, group we favorite. Netherlands, about World Cup finals, they lost to the USA 2019 by 2-0. They are not bad at all.
About the lady now Barcelona, no, didn't me kakra.
Why?
Or Netherlands lady now Barcelona.
Stina.
Yeah, Midima.
Midima is not going. Vivian
Midima.
Uncle. Because on our ACL and knee.
Although former Barcelona player, Oka Alezi Putaya, so Mary Finidi. I don't know, compete for Winnie Bida. Waje, world player of the. About one was Ali Dynamic.
The Netherlands are doing very well now. Omo Piki, even though someone said Serena Wagner, Jeffery or
yes.
I mean, Andres John Kabay, and so he's really pushing the team to do well. Now, Osha Group I foresee them placing second behind the US. Portugal, almost made in addition. I mean, almost agreeing our tournament in the first place.
Okay.
Almost agreeing, yes. Star Jessica Silva is so brilliant, but at the end of the day, Onunkwane is the best player in the team. This team, almost share Senegal playoff, no. Cameroon. Yes, Portugal. I'm going to Cameroon for him. It was a last-minute penalty. I don't want Cameroon for him. Then historic girls, Vietnam. And Cameroon and him say Vietnam. But the way our football develops is here.
I was a shocking with crowd. I was Vietnam. They don't pay
Vietnam, but but they've been able to qualify above Taiwan and Thailand because it was a playoff. And I'm qualified, but it was historic.
Clearly, when I can do it tells us that Vietnam for a moment no say no man.
Oh yes.
If you did goes or men man also.
Even know.
I shall say about you tournament.
North Korea Beji under 20 youth now because North Korea they almost can be so, but do they know what they were doing in secret? So they are here. Yeah, so now can I know it's possible because why they assume they say Vietnam beba and then Vietnam are in. Group F, beautiful girl, Bill Hopper, France. Now, Group A, Panama, newcomers, almost one with debut, and it's also very good. I'm happy to see Marbon expand our countries. Yes, reggae boys, so we're reggae girls. Yes, almost second appearance. But even now, 2019, almost Japan board draw, almost Scotland crowd board treaty. That was the best. Any bad crowd. Don't forget, almost Kajima about Man City, or Man City striker. Yes. Yes.
The
So
season, no
yes.
count.
So
Jamaica.
Yeah.
yes. See, they are forced to France now. The changing of coach from Cochrane Dacre to Herbert Renard, no issue. But I hope that have with experience. It might be only experience or because now you see, sir, Madi Renard was angry, almost center back, no. Only coach issue is the reason why they sacked the coach. You'll be shocked. Because we're winning 8 Champions League with Lyon. And 14 league titles.
Oh, I don't know captain.
Yeah, centre back. And our coach issue, a match issue. Coaching coordinating match. And also we retire prematurely. So the way, so that's all led the federation to second and I'm Rena by.
Coaching called J.
Match,
no. I was me crashing no. Now the coach here there. So as they
Sports.
Ghana they be see you, but mean come as a league match. Was it? And there's a mini Okuja. And the French team almost shed that nyad there, sir. Because if you look at 2011, I'm do semi-final, I'm losing to the US before US lost to Japan. Modern Bono since then they've been struggling. Because you see, Lyon are winning Champions League and the Uber World Cup is a different ball game altogether.
Yes.
And so, yeah, share have a rain no. Even the Saudi Arabia against Argentina, the World Cup you're bad. Beating Argentina was a big deal. Any near wire on African continent. Yeah, share how this animal beba Mabo Bono. Mata, Brazil, 2007 finalist. Since then, moved to me for a cotton young Copa Feminine, I don't know, my GG 8 times, since you're more, South America, sir. But Mata, 6-time Ballon d'Or winner. We're in the last World Cup. We're in the 6th World Cup. She need to prove something. Because, Sebiu, so I'm from one year, I don't think they'll, look, Gabi Nunes, a young girl, Kabinya, Omundu, Mata. 6th World Cup, she need to do something. Now, I'm referring to her Pierre Sanhedge. Pierre Sanhedge is a top coach about my coaching. On the America the Olympic Games gold twice. Sweden Jumano. Now Brazil team no about Hondini and I did back Brazil share France da in 11 meetings. France are winning 6, I draw 5. So clearly, Ebia just said because of trend but group E there 2 never qualify. I'm two never free. I'm two qualified.
That was all matter. I don't know what is the version.
Say an Americano, but group G, and an Americano say Siana is a winning on ne a Hondin speed not to say first or Chuano Kono. She doesn't have that.
Oh, yeah, do watch a power.
Yes, 6 World Cup. Now 6 World Cup, yeah. I mean 6 World Cups, that's 24 years. Now over when you open some man the other ages 2 years, reasonably right. Now Sweden, about group G, Sweden, Sweden, unfortunately, Omunya Quenya G Cap, Bomu Hadriba.
Sweden,
Omu Ding, Ding in Ding technical football on board. And in 2019, Omu Germany, free no quarter Germany, that is them. Omonobesho Moba Bre. But Cap no Muncheraji. This group, they will top the group because Stena is playing so well. So well. And she's leading the team. Now, Argentina, Copa Femenina no Cromagna. They lost to Colombia and they were able to qualify to a playoff. For Italy, but 2019 they were in the quarterfinals. So, South Africa.
SOMPA Sports.
But Senya Bibianca group is a South Africa, me and the Nikakra.
Obiti me qualify.
Because German Sabosewa, any Tembi Gerlana, they are good. They are good.
Another fine,
beautiful ball. And but unfortunately, do tournament. 2019 is the same thing. I mean, I say Bibia Thomas Omuntimia. Balanka, how many Monica cry? Italy, never also more technical football is what they play, so it will be difficult. But I see Sweden and Italy qualify from this group. I don't think South Africa. No, means South Africa. Group H and Germany. Yes, this is Germany. Alexander Pop, one boy you know, because when she's back. She's back.
A group where tough wow.
Oh, Emudao. Colombia because Colombia lost to even Brazil beat them by a goal to nil.
Colombia for man.
Yes,
you good.
Yes.
Korea for the
yes. Colombia are very strong. We are very good. So this group, Morocco, Germany will top it. Morocco, no. I don't really see them doing that well.
Patapala with the bow. Patapala.
Oh,
with the bow.
No. Me. I don't see them.
Patapala with the
we're at different stage. Where Germany, Colombia, even to some extent, Korea. But I don't see Morocco. Africa threatened the
Nigeria for now. I know
now, Group D na Crawford England. Now England European champions is Mr. Haiti. Senegal.
Yes. Yeah.
There are 15 players who are playing in France.
84.
Sometimes, yes, who quite chrono, but there are players who are playing in France. So they are here. And tell me, technically good. Almost Senegal and Chile film. So it means that they are not a bad side. Good. Now, in Crawford, they are top group now.
China.
England.
China
are poor.
China is almost buffer.
Yeah. England, better top group now. The English team, Senya Sika 7 or Munya, yes, we can say Leah Williams may play bet mid, or they will not even go. Kevin Frankie. These are starters in the Lioness team, but because of injuries, Omonko. But look, Omo a very good squad. That meaning say watch ball border. Or Bob me for member.
Yes.
Sorry as here. Elatoun, great winger. Oka Leslie Russo, brilliant striker. Rashad Dali. On the left and right Eka. Beautiful. Goalkeeper Ebbs. Solid goalkeeper. She's the best women goalkeeper in the world now. And the more depth in squad, a great balance in the team. Even though 3 Amabom but still, the English team are first record. Only European champion, European champion, they beat Germany. So they are here. So they are first record with Denmark. After 16 years, they are back. Denmark beat the second in the group. Yeah. Sam Crawford, almost tournament. Omo ye interested.
Omo de hu.
Be man ma ai. Omo bobo no talk.
Omo was like the two with Tifia. E go for
so So they are China now, they are not doing well.
China above.
Nah, above. Omo investing more in women football above.
I was Mate. When China.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah, but now where Africa so your chances no. They will need bit my bia. But I'm say
Zambia.
Black Queen said they born next year pijano. Say near what tournament you man be hard dream pa.
Abu.
I was with them, I'm in home, bra. Me ban near Dico boy. I was also the army.
Yeah, Jaisa.
That was everybody money does Bodu Amoyeno.
From 1999 was the next time I call welcome.
Acha. I'm in now, bra.
Make I tell you about Vodafone's demo promo. See, anytime you recharge start a demo, you get up to 20%, whether it be short code or your Vodafone cash out in the Vodafone demo promotion.
Vodafone, further together.
Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway for the love. With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap In Jackpot. Do Hine. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. So betu kwai akusua de ewa manone enda from kra top tier amanaye fo achechefo aye de oboye adwuma no etutu kwai esua de ewa manone elfi bebre yebetimi aboa amwa bo degree or masters or postgraduate or doctorate or US UK Bank of Africa and Temuho friend 0260 411 847 and I say +1 646 659 7852. Just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Royal Foam Ghana Limited.